Good afternoon, dear students. I hope all are fine. Okay, have you done your homework? In previous class, what we discussed? We discussed our last chapter, lines and angles, is it? And we just start our new lesson, new chapter, that is triangles and its property, is it? Is it correct? Yes. Any doubt from the previous session? Any doubt? Okay, can we start? That is, we already discussed about what? We already discussed about our triangles, is it? Triangles have three sides, three vertices, is it? Yes. And angle sum is 180, and acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, is it? Yes. And next is, we are discussing about the median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. That is, what do you mean by median? What do you mean by median? Median is the line from a vertex to opposite side. A line from a vertex from an opposite to, that is, here A is median. A is median. A is a median of this triangle, is it? So we already know that what we know. Already we know that is triangle have three vertices, is it? Triangle have three vertices, is it? Yes. So how many median have a triangle? How many median have a triangle? That is, in a triangle three vertices, so it have three medians. It have three medians, is it? Yes, it have three medians. That is correct. Right answer. Is it? Yes. And next is altitude. Altitude means, what is altitude? What is altitude? Altitude means here altitude is A, B, C. The line perpendicular to opposite side. The line perpendicular. That is, here is angle is 90. Perpendicular means in a linear pair the lines are perpendicular, the angles are 90. Right angle, is it? Yes. That is, how many altitude have a triangle? That is also same. That is also same. Triangle have three medians and three altitudes. And we already know that. We also know that what is isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, is it? Yes. That is, isosceles triangle means this is a isosceles triangle. That is, it have its two sides is same measure. Two sides is same and third side is different. What is this? This type of triangle is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. That is, all sides are same. All sides are same. This is what is? This is a triangle, scalene triangle. Three sides are different. Three sides are different. If two sides of a triangle is equal, that type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. And if three sides are equal, Then that type of triangle is called what is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? And all types are different. All types are different. All types are different. Then what is that is we can say that what is we can say that the types triangles are scale and triangle. Scale and triangle. That is first we are discussing about our try this. That is first are for your homework. Page number 130. Write the 6 elements, the 3 sides and the 3 angles of triangle ABC. You want to first what is you want to write the 6 elements. That is angle, side, vertex. Is it? Yes. That means this is a triangle and its element is angle A, angle B, angle C. Is it? And AB is one side and BC and CA. AB, BC, CA. Is it? Yes. That is the 6 elements of triangle ABC. And next is write the side opposite to the vertex Q of PQR. That is write the opposite side of Q. That is PR. That is this is our vertex. Its opposite side is PR. And next one is what is? Angle opposite to the side LM of LMN. LMN. Angle opposite to the side which side? LM. LM. That is angle N. Angle is N. Angle N. Or we can more specification we can write LNM, angle LNM. That is answer of that is angle LNM. And next question is vertex opposite to the side RT of triangle RST. RST. And what is next? Question vertex opposite to the side RT. That is yes. Answer is yes. And next question is what is? Look at the figures and classify each of the triangle according to its sides. We want to classify. So that is first figure is what is? ABC. ABC. Is it? Yes. That is its two sides are equal. Its two sides are equal. And so this is what type of triangle? If two sides are equal, then we can say isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Is it? This is isosceles triangles and angle is acute angle. Angle is acute angle. We can see here. Here is this angle is acute. This is also and this is also. And next is what? Next figure is triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. This triangle is a scalar triangle, right angle triangle. That is, here is one angle is right, 90 degree. So its name is right angle triangle. Its name is right angle triangle. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay, good. And next one is seven centimeter. Two sides are 7 centimeters. So we can say that this triangle is isosceles triangle and obtuse angle. Isosceles triangle and obtuse angle. That is the solution, and all three are for your homework. Okay. And next one is we are going to discuss our exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Page number is 116. 116. First question is, what is our first question? In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. That is, in triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR, and next PM is, what is PM? That is, PM is, we already studied the altitude of a triangle. That is, PM is altitude of triangle PQR. PM is altitude of triangle PQR. And next is, what is PD is, what is PD? What is PD? PD is median. PD is median. PD is median. And next, what is? Next question is QM equal to MR? Is QM equal to MR? Is it right? No. Why? Because QM not equal to MR, because according to question, D is the midpoint of QR. Already they told that. Already they told. And second question is, what is our second question? Draw rough sketch for the following. We want to draw the rough sketch for following. First one is, in triangle ABC, BE is a median. BE is a median. That is, we want to rough sketch. When you make a rough sketch, you must use your pencil and scale. Do not use the pen. and ABC and BE is a median. BE means this. This is the rough sketch for second question, first part. Second part, B part. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitude of the triangles. Altitude of the triangles. PQ in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitude of the triangle. That is this is the rough sketch for second D part question. What is our question? In triangle PQR, PQ and PR, PQ and PR. So we rearrange the names. PQ and PR are altitude for this triangle, because altitude means perpendicular. That is, here R is vertex, that is, we draw a line to P. Is it? Yes. So this is our required solution. And third one is, in triangle X, Y is Z, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. What is exterior? What is exterior? What is exterior? That is, here is, you can try X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. This is a triangle and interior means this portion. Exterior means that is outside of the triangle. That is, in figure, in question, they told the altitude of this triangle. Altitude means we want to make 90 degree and this is L. That is, YL is altitude in the exterior portion of triangle X, Y, Z. Triangle X, Y, Z. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay, third question is for your homework, and next we are going to discuss about exterior angle and interior angles. Exterior angles and interior angles relationship. That is, for example, what is here? For example, I draw a triangle. That is, this angle is 1, 2, 3. These are exterior angles. that is this x, y. That is, here we can say that the angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to what is answer? 180 degree. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. It is correct. Is it? Yes. And next is, we are going to, for justification, that is, first we triangle angle ACD equal to angle x plus angle y. Angle x plus angle y. Is it right? Is it correct? Angle x plus angle y. Is it right? Yes. And next is what is about angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3? Is it what is 180 degree? That is, this is equal to angle A plus angle B. That is, we want to show that angle x plus angle y equal to angle A plus angle B. That means angle SGD equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. Is it right? Yes. That is what we can say, that we can draw a line C. That is, C is a parallel to AB according to question. According to question, here given that AB is parallel to C. Is it? Yes. Then what we can say? AB or BA, is it? As you like, you can call the name of lines. That is, C is parallel to BA. That is, what is the answer? Then, considering this transversal, angle 2 equal to angle y. Angle 2 equal to angle y. Is it? Considering as BD as transversal, that is, these angles are corresponding angles. Is it? Is it? That is, it? Yes. That is, this is B, A, E, C. Is it? Yes. This is transversal. This BCD is transversal. So these angles are equal, corresponding angles. And also take AC as transversal, that is angle 1 and angle X. Angle 1 and angle X are equal. Why? The angles are alternative angles. The angles are alternative angles. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, so angle X equal to angle 1, angle Y equal to angle 2. So X plus Y equal to angle 1 plus 2. That is, angle 1 is A and angle 2 is B. That is, X plus Y means angle ACD. That is, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite angles. Sum of opposite angles. Is it clear? That is, the exterior angle equal to exterior angle of a triangle equal to, we can find the sum of two opposite interior angles that are equal. Any doubt? Okay. And next one is another one example using this property. That is, this is 60 degree, which is 110 degree. This is x degree. What is the answer? We already know that the sum of these angles equal to this exterior angle. That is, these angles are opposite to this exterior angle. So we can write 110 degree equal to what is 50 degree plus x degree. Is it? Yes. That is 110 degree minus 50 degree equal to x degree. That is x equal to 60. That is x equal to 60. That is 60 degree. That is x equal to 60 degree. Answer is clear. Is it clear? That is, we can do that. That is, already we know that, or already we discussed or studied that is sum of interior angles equal to opposite exterior angles. This is interior angle. This angle is exterior. So the sum is equal to this one. That is the first property. And you have homework in page number 118. There is think, discuss and write. So please think, discuss, write. Any doubt, contact me. And there is another. Try this. That is try this also for your homework. That is, in first question, an exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree, and if one of its interior opposite angle is of measure 25 degree, find the measure of the other interior opposite angle. Find the measure of other interior opposite angle. That is, what is the property? That is, exterior angle is 70 degree. That is, one interior angle is 25 degree. One opposite interior angle. Another opposite interior angle is x degree. That is, we can write x degree equal to 70 degree minus 25 degree. Is it right? Yes. That is, what is the answer? Answer is 45. Is it? Yes. Answer is 45. And 2, 3 are for your homework. First is we done, already done. That is, next we are going to discuss about our exercise 6.2, page number 118. Page number. Is it? Yes. That is, first question is, find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. You want to find the x. That is, first one is This is 50 degree and also 70 degree. We want to find x. That is x equal to the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite of interior angles sum. Is it sum of opposite interior angles? That is 70 degree plus 50 degree. Is it? Yes. That is 120 degree. 120 degree. Is it? Is it right? Yes. Answer is 120 degree. Next is what? Second question. Sixty-five degree and this is 45 degree. This is our x. We want to find the x. Here also we can write what we can write x equal to 65 plus 45. That is 110 degree. Answer is 110 degree. Is it? Is it? Is it? Yes. That is next question is third one. Is it? Yes. That is here we can write x equal to x equal to 70. Is it? Answer is 70. And next one is what is next question? Fourth one is these angles are 60. So what is the answer of x? X equal to 60 plus 60, so we get 120 degree. And next is what is that is x equal to 50 plus 50. What is the answer? 100 degree. And fourth one is for your homework. Fourth session is for your homework. Please write your homework in your notebook and find the solution. Following like this, you can find the solutions. Is it? Yes. And next one is second question. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. You want to find x in the following figures. Okay, that is second question. This is x. Is it? That is, we want to find x, so that x plus 50 plus, is it? Yes. That is what is the answer? What is the answer? 65. Is it? Answer is 65. Is it? That is, we can subtract. Answer is 65. Second question is what? Second question. Is it? Yes. That is, here we can write 70 plus x equal to 100. X equal to 100 minus 70. That is equal to 30. Answer is 30. Answer is 30. And next one is third question. Third what? This is x. That is, in this figure we can see that the triangle is right angle triangle. Is it? The triangle is right angle triangle. So this angle is 90 degree. That is x plus 90 equal to 125 degree. 125 degree. That is x equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree. Minus 90 degree. Is it? Yes. That is, what is the answer? What is the answer? That is 125 minus 90 equal to 5. 3. Is it? That is 35 degree. 35 degree. Answer is 35. And next, fourth one is this is x, this is 60, this is 120, this is 120. That is, we know that 60 plus x equal to 120 degree. Is it? Yes. That is x equal to 120 minus 60. 120 minus 60. 120 minus 60, that is equal to 60. Answer is also 60. Answer is also 60. And Fifth and sixth are for your homework. You can following like this. You get the correct answer. And next we are going to discuss about the angle sum property of a triangle. That is, you just also you just read your textbook, max textbook, page number in the 6th chapter. Then you get the more explanation with sentence. Is it? Yes. Next we are going to discuss about some of measures of angles. That is, already we discussed that what is a triangle have three angles. Sum is 180. And the total measurement of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree. Is it true? Yes, it is true. And next we are going to discuss about what for example, this is a triangle and name is PQR and angle Q is 47 degree and R is 52 degree. Is it? Is it right? Yes. That is, angle P plus or measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R equal to 180 degree. That is, measure of angle P plus angle Q is 47 degree plus angle or measure of R is 52 degree equal to 180. That is, when we add these measure of P plus now 47 degree plus 47 degrees plus 52 degree is, that is, we get 99 degree equal to 180. That is, measure of P equal to 180 minus 19. That is, we get 81. That is our. And next, this is for the solution. That is, measure of angle P equal to 81 degree. The statement proof that is, the statement is the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Proof is in your textbook. That is, they use the linear pair. Is it? Yes. So exterior and also use the exterior angles property. That is, here is a exterior angle, that is, these two sum is here, that is, here and here we get the supplementary angles. That is, linear pair means supplementary angles are supplementary. So when we subtract 180 minus this exterior angle, then we get the total sum. Angle 1 or angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are, or sum of interior angles is 180 degree. And can we start our exercise 6.3? Are you ready? That is, we are just start our exercise 6.3. That is 6.3, page number is 121. 6.3. That is, first is find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. That is, answer is x plus 50 plus 60 equal to 180 degree. Is it? Yes. And next is x plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree, and x equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. 110 degree. 110 degree. That is 70 degree. Answer is 70 degree. That is, here is 70 degree. X is 70 degree. And next one is that is, here is this angle is right angle triangle, so this angle is right, so we can write 90 plus 30 plus x equal to 180. Is it? Yes. That is 120 equal to 120 plus x equal to 180, and x equal to 180 minus 150, that is, we get 60 degree. We get 60 degree. Answer is 60 degree. And next is another one is, what is another triangle, third one. (110 degree) x 30 degree. That is, answer is 30 plus 110 plus x equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. That is, here we get 180 degree. That is, x equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. That is 40 degree. That is 40 degree. That is the answer, and all other three are for your homework. Question number 1, 4th, 5th, 6th are also for your homework. And today we conclude our class. Best wishes. Take care. Bye. See you in next class.